Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. This is the Global RJ page dedicated for artist, art entrepreneur, creative entrepreneur, talking about the online passive income ideas, print on demand websites, online art business ideas, and everything related to art and creative entrepreneur stuff. So today's video topic is we will going to talk about the Teespring, because in my previous videos on the Teespring that I have made, how to create a listing and how to make a shop on Teespring. If you want to watch that videos, then I'm putting the link in the description box below. You can very well check those out. But in those videos, I got few comments talking about the people that how to get paid out by the Teespring and how to promote it and what are the different stuffs regarding more in detail about the Teespring. So I thought of making a complete video about Teespring and giving you a little bit more in depth so you would be very much clear about it. So I'm gonna talk about Teespring in this video. So if you are really interested in that, then keep watching this video till the end. And please guys, give it a big thumbs up, and so for the YouTube algorithm to work in my favor. And please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever we upload new video on this channel, you will be first one to get notified about it. So let's get started with today's topic. So for those of you guys who don't know what exactly the Teespring is, let me give you a little bit context of it. The Teespring is a print-on-demand platform that helps you place your designs on different products like the mugs, t-shirts, and different wares, and you can place your designs on different products, and then when someone buys that product, they will going to print that design on that product and will going to deliver to the customers, and will going to handle all the delivery and customer service and each and everything. You don't need to do anything on your behalf. And it's also one of the ways to earn passive income online. So that's all about the Teespring. That's basic about. Now I'm gonna give you a little bit about it. Like the Teespring is different from the Redbubble and the TeePublic. That in the Redbubble and TeePublic, you are gonna upload your design and you will open a shop on the day one itself. And on the day one itself, the Redbubble will going to promote your designs via their paid platforms, via their paid services, or whatever services they are using for promoting different designs. So they will going to promote your designs on the day one itself on the Redbubble and TeePublic. But in comparison to the Teespring will going to take some time. You need to get that trust score before they will going to promote your designs. For the trust score, what I really mean by that, trust score is a way that in the beginning you need to get few sales for your Teespring shop or the store, and then they will going to promote your designs or your products on their paid platforms or whatever platform they are using for promoting their stuff. So in the beginning, you need to gain that trust score. So it's a little bit different from the Redbubble and the TeePublic. In those, you don't need to gain that trust score. They will going to promote your product on the day one itself. But in the Teespring, you need to gain that trust score, and you need to get the few sales in the very beginning to get their trust score, and then they will going to do that. Another aspect of the Teespring is that you can open multiple different shops in one account itself. In case of Redbubble and TeePublic, you need to open a separate account for making a separate another shop. You need a separate account and so on. But in case of Teespring, you can have a one account, and on that one account you can open a multiple different shops regarding different niches and all that. Now moving on to another aspect of the Teespring is about how they get or how you get paid out. So there is the two services by which they get you pay out. One is the Payoneer, another one is the PayPal. You can link your account, either Payoneer or the PayPal, on their website itself. And whenever a customer buys your product and when they dispatch that product to the customer, so within 24 to 48 hours, you can request for the payout. And within 7 working days, they will going to take 7 working days to get you payout into your PayPal or either into your Payoneer account. So in the beginning, like if you are a new seller and you are selling it, so it might take a few days or might take more than that to get your first payout on the Teespring, because you are a new seller and they will going to like do all the verification and everything, and within few days, like 7 days or maybe 10 days to get your first payout on the Teespring. But once you are taking the payout like back to back, like in months and months, and you are not a new seller, you have like a few times on the Teespring, then you will be get paid within 7 days of you requesting your payout. And you can request the payout of the product that you sold within 24 to 48 hours once that product has been dispatched to the buyer. So that's the threshold. I read it everything on their Teespring website. I'm going to link that link in the description box below, so you can read out the terms and conditions and how you can get paid out by that. And please connect your Payoneer and PayPal account and verify your PayPal and Payoneer account before connecting it to the Teespring, so that you would be getting your payout at the specific time and all that. So keep these things all into consideration while using the Teespring, and this is the way you can get payout by the. Another thing, guys, I want to tell you that you can promote your Teespring store onto the niche Instagram, niche Facebook, or niche YouTube channel, even on the Pinterest, because in the beginning you need to get the first few sales. So getting the first few sales, you can use the niche Instagram account. You can open an account on Instagram itself and can start promoting your niche store on that and getting few sales in the beginning, and then they will going to promote your stuff and all that. So willing to buy one, because I also got that comment, someone asking me that should I need to buy my product to get that trust score or not. No guys, you don't need to buy your product to get that trust score if you are not into buying your product, because if you are buying that product and you really don't want to buy that, then what's the purpose of buying it? So if you really want to buy that and check their quality, then very well you can go for it. But if you don't want to buy those products, then don't need to buy that. Just promote it using different social media platforms, different Pinterest, the YouTube. If you have a TikTok account, go for that as well. And whatever platform you have, you can promote it. You can promote it to your friends and family members if they are interested in buying that product, or your colleagues or whatever people you know in your circle, and you can promote that to gain that trust score in the beginning. And if you guys want to check out how to make a store and how to create a listing on Teespring and how to make a niche store and all that, then I've already made a complete video on that. I'm putting that video in the description box below, that link of that video. You can check that out very well. And these are all the questions that I've been getting from in the comment section, and I am trying to reply to you. If you have any more questions or any more queries you want me to talk about, or anything topic you want me to talk about, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll make another video for those topics. And this is for it. That's it for this today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Take care. Bye.